welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be swapping the battery in this Suzuki remote car key. Quite a straightforward one this. Right, let's get straight into it. So if you pick it up, let's have a look, make sure it's the same as yours before we start. On the rear here there's a little button. If you just press that in, that releases your emergency key. This emergency key will get you in should this remote fail. The location of the lock varies from model to model. Now, keeping this in hand, where it goes back in, if we just put the tip of the key in, not all the way in, hold the key firmly and just put a little bit of light pressure there. As you can see, the key came apart very easily. Take the back off, that reveals your battery. Your battery is a CR2450. If you get a small screwdriver and just carefully go in there and just clip that up, that releases the battery out the key fob. The battery, that smooth side there with the positive emblem on, is always your positive side. Your negative side always has a domed edge. Right, okay, so that battery came out positive side up. We'll go back in with a new battery. We just place it in, clip it into place, line the back of the key up, make sure everything's lined up perfectly, and just snap that back into place. Get your emergency key, that'll only go in one way. Clip that back in. That's job done on your Suzuki remote key. Hope that was helpful. Please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos. We'll see you soon.